How many?
412.
Sick. Next guy, check it out?
Yeah.
All right, come check this shit out. Oh, see? Yeah, you're not playing, are you? Oh, you got the fur in here too. Okay, you got the bunch. Oh shit, bunch more amps. I didn't know you had all this stuff in here.
Oh yeah.
Try to get a good shot. Fourth order?
Yeah.
Hey, can I get in?
Yeah.
All right, man. Hey, should I shut the door or no?
Up to you.
Hey. That shit's digging. Nice and low, man. I like it. Good shit, man. Hey, thank you for the demo, man.
No problem, no problem.
I like it a lot.
Thank you.
Goddamn, dude. You're doing it, man. Fourth order? Yeah, it's got that fourth order sound to it.
Yeah.
You can...
In about a year or two, I'm going to switch it to a 6th order and add 2 more 12s.
All right, dude. I'll be looking forward to it.
Yep. Hopefully you can make a bracket for this thing for 12 liters. There's no room.
I dare you. I dare you. All right. This is proof that it works.
He's over there by the bed. Hey, that's nasty right there.
It looks nasty.
Ruby's in the inside right now.
Where the hell is Rusty at?
I don't know where he's at, man. He dipped out on us.
Yeah.
He's out getting the munchies. He got
I'm gonna
munchies.
return the favor here in a second.
Right.
Yeah. Hey, what is back there?
So we got 24 XL Elite 12s, DC audio, of course.
2412s.
4 DC Pitbull 20Ks.
Yeah, dude. It looks insane.
Thank
Me
you.
and you?
Yeah, me and you.
Are you shutting us in?
I don't know.
No. Anytime somebody's gonna shut me in, I don't know. Oh, you first?
No, we're both getting in.
Oh, I'm going over there?
Hopefully you enjoy the ride.
Yeah. I don't know about that, man. It got louder since last time?
I'm in control, dude.
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, that means yes. It's a lot different than last time I saw it.
Last time it was just 12.
It was a flat ball last time I saw it. Alright, that's crazy. Yeah, here we go. Brandon, you're in control?
I'm in control. Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Smoke on stage in the grass screen. Hit them hot, make them melt like ice cream. Here's a little something that you need to know. Vanilla ice in the mix, nothing new now.
God damn, the motherfucker went.
You gotta rip my fucking face off.
Anytime I can, bro. Anytime I can.
15
That's
hertz?
a good one, dude.
20.
Where's my hat?
The man.
Goddamn, dude.
This one's yours. This one's yours.
Did our hats switch? Dude, are you for real right now?
I'm for real right now.
I'm surprised you didn't pop the lenses out of my glasses.
Hey, I'm glad you enjoyed it, brother.
Best one so far.
Love it.
Yeah.
Why you get off the lenses on my glasses?